Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're asked to graph the given functions on a common screen, and we're asked how are these graphs related. So we have y equals 0.9 to the x, 0.6 to the x, 0.3 to the x, and 0.1 to the x. So we have all these exponential functions, and we can see that their base is less than 1. Therefore, they're going to have the general shape where they start off towards positive infinity, and then as s increases, the y value approaches 0. And they go through the point 0, 1, no matter what the base is. I'm going to graph these on a common screen to see the differences, right? I've put it into a graphing calculator, so we have it right here in Desmos. And we can look at these smaller differences between these, because some of these don't even look like the same function, right? The purple, 0.1 to the x, and red, 0.9 to the x, don't look like they're even in the same family. However, they just have much different rates of change, right? So this 0.1 to the x decreases very, very quickly, whereas the 0.9 decreases very, very slowly. The rate of decrease is directly related to the base. So the lower the base for these fractional bases, the higher the rate of increase. So 0.3 is not as steep as 0.1, but it's still more than 0.6, which is more than 0.9, which barely looks like it's decreasing at all for a while. We can still see that they all go through the point 0, 1. And then they are the exact opposite of a function like y equals 2 to the x, which is starting off at 0 and going off to infinity. So they all look different, but they're all related to each other and directly opposite to any of these exponential functions with a value greater than 1 in the base.